Hi, welcome back to Safety and Civil Engineers Insight. Today, I will teach you how to make use of AutoCAD to draw your building from start to finish. So there are some certain key parameters and settings you need to do before you carry out your drawing. So first of all, let's take a look at what we are going to draw. So this is what we will draw in AutoCAD. I'll teach you how to use the AutoCAD tools effectively and efficiently in a creative manner. So, this is what we'll draw in AutoCAD. This is a set content. First of all, what you have to do is to note your dimensions. So, as you can see, the block wall here is 150 millimeters. The distance from here to this block wall is 1850 millimeters. The distance from here to here is 2000 millimeters. So first of all, we will design for just this first apartment, then we mirror it. So that's what we do. So let's go to our AutoCAD software. So there's some setting um key function you have to do or some certain things you have to set in order for your design to come out in a creative manner. So let's do those necessary settings. So first of all, you go to formats. Here is our format. You click on format, you go to units. In building drawing, or in architectural drawing, we use millimeters as our SI units. You could use meters, you could use centimeters. It's based on your choice. So you ensure that the precision is at 0 units, millimeters. You click OK. You go back again to format, drawing limits. So what is our drawing limit? Our drawing limit is the area on which we want to carry out this design. So you have to specify your drawing limits. So I will say, okay, fine. Let my drawing limit be 10,000, 10,000. So I'll type. Always check your command bar. This is your command bar. Always look at it. It's very important. So we type 1,000, sorry, 10,000, 10,000. You press the enter key. You say Z enter, Z enter, A enter. So let's do it again. So you go to format, click on your drawing limit, you press enter, you type 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, enter. Z enter, A enter. The, the Z means zoom, the A means all, so you zoom all. So you have successfully set your drawing limit. So the next one we will love to set is our dimension. Very important. So you go to dimension style. You click on modify. So from line to primary unit, that's what you edit. You go to line, um, okay, 100, you make it 100. Our baseline spacing 100, extend beyond dim lines 100, offset from origin or 100 is okay, is a line. Then symbols and arrow, you make it architectural tick. arrowhead, 100. Okay, 100. All right, is the line. The text height 150 millimeters. Vertical, you make it above, align with dim lines. Offset from dim line, you could say 50 meters. Fit, you make it at um, always keep text between external lines, EXE lines, primary units, ensure is 0. Precision, okay, and you click on set current. So we have successfully set our dimension. So the next thing that we will set is our layer properties, our block lines, the doors, the windows, etc., based on what you want. So let's do that. So we come here, edit, sorry, layer properties, come to new, give it a name. This is our wall. This is our wall. Say wall 1. So what color? So we choose for the thickness. You select your thickness. So we want our thickness to be 0.5 mm. This is our wall 1. So you go for your window. You say okay, we want our window win 1 to be 0.05. So those are the two things I would love to create in our layer properties, the the wall and the wing. So that is all what we need to set at the moment. So let's go back to our drawing format. So this is what we want to draw basically. So we'll say okay, this is 150. This is our wall thickness 150. Toilet is 1850. We have the block wall 150, 2000, and 150. So we could say 150 plus 1850 plus 150 plus 2000 plus 150. We'll have 4300 millimeters. You have that at the back of your mind. Then you do for the vertical is 150. Okay, fine. It's been dim dimension here. So this is from year to year is 1800. We have 3150, then 1350. When you add all together, you have 6300 millimeters. So let's go. So AutoCAD software. So you go to line. Sorry for you. Come here and you pick your layers that you have created. So this is wall 1. So we pick a line here. We said um, this way we have total. We have 4300. Then vertical we have 6300. So pick your line. You click anywhere within the window environment. Take it to your right, to your left. Type 4300. Enter. 6300. Enter. 4300. Enter. Then So what we have done here is that we have successfully draw our external boundary or external lines of this one bedroom apartment. So the next thing we have to do, we offset. So we click on offset here. This is offset, you click and type 150, enter. So you start offsetting inward. So that's it. Go back. What the okay, from year to year is 1,200. So we offset 1,200. Remember, our block wall is 150 millimeters. So what again do we need to do? We also offset from year to year. It's 3,000 millimeters. We can offset. Type 3,000. Offset again for the block wall. 150 millimeters. So we have done for this. We're done for this. We have to do for this. So there is 1,850 offset. 1,850. Block wall 150. Then you trim. To trim, you click on this trim button and press the key enter and start trimming. You like this and press the delete key. So let's go back. So we have done for this. We have done for this here. Done for this. Okay. So what next is wardrobe. Wardrobe is 1,650 650 here. So we'll do that. Okay. That's in line. That's it. Okay. Our wardrobe is offset 1,650. Then offset again 650. Offset it. Escape. Retrain. Delete. You also trim here. Now let's undo. Go back to our drawing. You say it. Okay. So our door here is 900 millimeters. So delete this. And our door will also for our door 900. Escape key. Trim. Press trim and enter. Also, this is a toilet door, so 50. This door here, so 50 millimeters. So you click on offset and type so 50. Press your enter key. You click here and click here. So from here to here is so 50. Escape key. Click on frame and enter. You click and you click. So we're making progress. So the next thing we have to do is to create our windows. There's no dimension here, so we can say this window we want it to be 1200. This one 1200. Here 650. Here also should be 800. Based on our design. So we say okay. We come to let's go to trim. First of all, click on trim, enter, then you trim this. Trim, trim this. Let's trim all this. Like this and let's. So to get our window, go to line. So you place your cursor at the middle of this wall where you want your window to be introduced. You click and you click. So we are able to get our center line of the window. So you offset. Our window is 1200. So you offset 600, 600. You click on offset, which we have done. You type 600, enter. So you offset this way, left, and you offset, offset, right as well. So after that, you trim. So trim, you click on trim and press your enter key. Then you start to trim. Delete this. So we also do for this other parts. So you can extend. To extend, you click on the extend key, you press enter, and you click close to where you need to extend. So it's how it's been done. So you come to frame. Let's trim this out. So a window or window or window or window frame enter. So you go to line, place your cursor in the middle. Our window is 600. Fine, we could use 600 for toilet window. So we'll set 600. Left and After that, we trim. We go to trim. Click on trim, enter key. You press your enter key. Then you trim. You like this and delete. You also do the same for your picking. Pick up a line. Locate the center line. Okay. So our kitchen window, we could say 900 millimeters. So we offset 450 by 450. So to the right 450 and to the left 450. So a total of 900 millimeters. We trim. Click on trim. Press your enter key. Trim. Delete this. So let's do for the other window. This is 1000. Okay, 1200 for this window. Pick a line. Yeah, pick a line. You can draw it to this point. It's based on what you want anyway. It's based on your own creativity. Very good. Oh, let's delete. Let's delete this. So we go to trim and trim this. We go to line. So let's get the middle of this. Shoot this. So go to offset. Click on offset. You type 600. That's half of our window. 600. You offset over here 600. Then you trim. Delete. So we have successfully created our window. So let's go to window one, which is our window layer. So we could also change the color of our window. To do that, you can click here and say, okay, we want our window to be blue in color. Say, okay, close. So you pick your line and join your window. Click here and you also click here. Okay, so let's zoom to see what we are doing. So you come to zoom and zoom window. You click and you expand. You also click so that you see what you're doing. So we have done for the window for one side. You could also click at the middle and you stretch. So this is our window. You also do for this. Press your enter key to repeat the same command. You know, you also do for this. You press your enter key to repeat your command. You click, you escape, press your enter key. You click this end to this end. Go to your line, you click your line. You click this point to this point. You escape, you press enter to repeat the command. You click from this point to this point. You escape and you press command. You press your enter key and you click at this point. So we have successfully created our windows. So we can delete this. You light and you delete. So this one we can trim. It can be deleted just like that. So you have to trim here also. So our drawing is coming out. That's good. So next step is to create our door. So first of all, let's create our door layer. Go to layer, go to new, and say door one. Give it a color. You can give it a color. We can say green color, and so you come here and you locate door one. Door. So to do for a door, go to line. You click at this point. Click at this point. So the width of our door is 750. Offset 750. You click on offset and you type 750. Enter. You click and take it offset. So the next step is to go to arc. You click on start end direction. Click at this point. You click at this point. And you click here. So delete this and also delete this. So you have successfully created your door for your toilet. So let's do for the door for our sitting room. So to do that, go to line, click at this point, you extend it, and you offset 900. 900 is because that is the width of our door. So you offset 900. Escape. So after that, you go to your arc, start end direction. Click at this point, click at here, and click here. So you have successfully created your door in no time. Delete this and also delete this. So the next text. So you go to text, multi-line text. You click on it, and you click here, you drag, you type sitting room. After that, you click on close. So you have successfully created your sitting room. So you have to zoom in. You have to zoom in to see your sitting room, but it's so tiny. So what you have to do is this. You double click on your sitting room. You highlight it. Then here, you change the text height to be 300. Press enter key. So you have successfully increased the font size or the text height of your sitting room. So this is too much. So we could also reduce it. To do that, double click on the room, your light, and 100, you say 100 meters or 150. Okay, so you expand this. So this is our sitting room. So you could copy selection, drop it here, you drop one here. So these are veranda, you delete, render, double click on this, you place it also here, you backspace, and you say, you can also copy selection, click here, edit, this is our kitchen, copy selection, this is our wardrobe. So you light and you rotate. These are rotates. You click on it, you click at this edge, and you move it. Click on move to move your lights and right click on move. So you ensure your auto is off. So that is it. So we have successfully um successfully puts in our necessary details. We have here veranda, sitting room, WC, kitchen. So the next thing we'll do, we'll mirror. So to mirror, you highlight this area. Okay, first of all, you have to do something. No, let's let's zoom so that we'll see what we're doing. So you come here, you click on zoom. So we'll zoom this in here. Okay, so go to line. Look at this point. let's highlight. Highlight. Then we'll click on mirror. Where's our mirror? Okay, mirror. You click. You say enter. End means no. So we have successfully mirrored our design. So let's see how it looks like. Window, zoom. So wonderful, so magical, you know. So we have successfully done for mirroring. You can see it's coming out very well, more than this. You know. So the last thing we have to do is add dimensioning. To do that, we go to dimension style. Sorry, that's we go to dimension and we go to line. So we click at this point, then we click on continuously so that we won't have the pain of clicking one after the other. So we use that continuously. So we have that for the horizontal. We do for the vertical as well. If you first of all dimension one part, then before you click on continue, now click and click. So let's do for inside line. Click here, click here. There's a 1,200 millimeters. Click at this point and this point. Dimension of toilets. It's into in. 5. Let's see the width. Wow. 18,500. So we do for our kitchen. So let's check the render. You could also move this. This is how to carry out your design using AutoCAD software in a creative manner. I believe this video is quite impactful to you. If you like my video, kindly share and subscribe to my channel so that it will make me know that you like my video and I could share more wealth of my experience with you.